Dear students, welcome in Jazzwords Computer Lecture Online, Class 7, First Term, Chapter number 6, more on spreadsheets. In Book 1, we learned that spreadsheets are used for working with numerical data. We know about the basic elements of a spreadsheet and how to enter data on a spreadsheet. We also learned how to edit and format data. We will now continue with some more formatting options. Most importantly, we will also learn how to use spreadsheets to convert numerical data into meaningful information. Changing row height. According to this book, our first topic is changing row height. You will recall that formatting allows us to improve the appearance of our spreadsheets. One way of doing this is by changing the height of the row. You can change row height according to your need and need of data. We can increase or decrease the height of a row to suit our needs. To change the row height, there are some points. Number 1, select the row or rows by clicking on the row numbers in the frame. Go to the cell group on the Home tab and select Format Row Height. Enter the new height in the box opposite row height. Click OK to return to the worksheet. This way you can change the row height. Changing column width. You can also change the column width according to the need of data. For changing column width, there are some steps. Number 1, select the column or columns by clicking on the column letters in the frame. Go to the cells group on the Home tab and select Format Column Width. Enter the new width on the box opposite column width. Click on OK to return to the worksheet. You can also select Auto Fit Column width increases or decreases the column width so that the data completely fill the column. Inserting new rows and column. Because formatting is an art, and in formatting you need a new row and a new column. You also can insert new row and column in spreadsheet. For this purpose, you can select the row or rows above which you want to insert a new row or rows by clicking on the row numbers in the frame. Go to the cells group on the Home tab and select Insert Sheet Row. Select the column or column to the left of which you want to increase a new column or columns by clicking on the column letter in the frame. Go to the cells group on the Home tab and select Insert Sheet Column. In this way you can also insert new row and column. Using formula. Formula is a special function of spreadsheet. By this function you can easily done many mathematical operation on the spreadsheet. The second one is using function. These functions can also help you to solve many problems. For example, if you want to sum any question, you need to use sum function and you want to take average. There is average function and minimum and maximum value of the from the given values. Inserting charts. You can also insert charts in the spreadsheet. A chart shows information in the form of pictures. Charts help us to understand the meaning of numbers more easily. So this is our chapter number 6, spreadsheet. More about spreadsheet. Stay home, stay safe and keep studying. God bless you.